Today I'm gonna show you the solution of iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes. I have iPhone 6 Plus. How you can remove this error from the phone? You just need to restore your phone. First you need to put your phone into the recovery mode. iTunes recovery mode. By pressing home key and power key and connect to the cable. Hold both keys until you see the iTunes recovery menu. Now you have to go to the PC screen and let me show you how to restore or flash your phone. Open iTunes or a 3D tool or any other tool you want to flash with your phone, and when your device connected, go flash. If you have downloaded latest file, you can click only flash to flash your device. You can downgrade your phone by using local firmware, and if you have I have already downloaded, so I can only click on flash, quick flash. Flashing started. Just wait until complete. This will take couple of minutes, depends on your PC's performance. When you reach 80%, that means your phone is finishing the flash file. Just need to wait little more. And when you see the congratulations, that means your phone flashing is done now. This is how you can remove iPhone disabled or restore or flash your phone. Thanks for watching friends. Subscribe and like the video.